I've been getting a lot of questions about the Yoni Massage online course that is coming out soon, that I've just filmed. And so I wanted to answer some of your questions. So first of all, what is included in this? It is going through all of the ins and outs, from when a session starts to how to set up the space, to how to hold space. I walk you through that. We do a few different exercises as well before we even do the yoni massage, to get you connected, to get you dropped in, to get you how to support her in how to receive this. I go through a number of different, I go through a whole entire therapeutic massage session, as well as going through all of the anatomy of the woman's yoni, as well as going through the different strokes, outside and inside the yoni, and also how to take care of her afterward, because there's a whole entire practice from the very beginning to going through it to the end. I do a whole entire demo. It's a full-on demo. It's about an hour and a half long. So you get to go along with me to see what I'm doing, to do it with me while you have your partner there, or if you're female, you can do it on your own. That was another question, is do I need a partner? If you are a woman, you can do this practice by yourself. If you are a man and you don't have a yoni, then you need a yoni, so that means you need a partner. Yes, so there's that. So there's a lot of details in there around, all of it is included. It will be coming out somewhere in the next 2 weeks, I'm guessing by around Christmas time, December 25th. And so after that, then it will be readily available for you to watch and to take in the privacy of your own home. There's no dates. There's no like, you have to start here, and it's from 7 o'clock until 10 o'clock. I've gotten that question of like, oh, are there hours? It's like, no, because on the Eventbrite, I had to put dates. And so, yeah, I put from one date until December 25th. December 25th, the price will go up after that date. So those are why there's dates on there. So I've had people ask me about that. Yes, I think that answers everything. But yes, this will guide you into the sacred practice of giving a beautiful and sacred session to a woman, on yoni massage and all the details that go with it. Again, I will say this is not a teacher training. This is not something that you're going to take and then you're going to go and be a professional at that. That's a completely different thing. That's something also I need to share, so you know that it's not a teacher training. It is a course for you to share with yourself, with your beloved. Yeah, so it's mostly designed for that. So there you go. Namaste. And if you have any more questions, please let me know. Just write them in the link below, and I'm happy to answer any of your questions. Ciao.